Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to edit or create a short video that you can use for your TikTok, for your Instagram Reels and Facebook Reels, and also for your YouTube Shorts. This video is where you can see the subtitles with all these emojis and all this sound effects. So let's hop in. So stay with me, don't go anywhere. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so and hit that subscribe button and the notification bells so you'll be updated whenever there's a new upload. So let's do this. By the way, this is with the use of the app called Capcut. Okay, so we're gonna make a very quick video. Okay, so hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to edit using Capcut with subtitles, emojis, sound and video effects. So that's going to be simple. So what I'm gonna do is AirPlay. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back to CapCut, and then here, as you can see, the plus sign, new project is called, and then I'm gonna click this one here. So let's listen.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit using CapCut with subtitles, emojis, sound and video effects.
Okay, so for this tutorial, I'm not going to edit this heavily. I'm just going to show you how to put on effects. So you can see here, there's effects, right? So click that one. On the left side, it says video effects, and on the right side there's called body effects. So we can use the video effects. So as you can see here, there are so many choices here. So I like to put this video effect bubbles. See, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put the subtitles. Okay, I need to extract the audio first. So extract audio. Now the audio is out, right? You have to do that in order for you to edit the words. So click that one, and then it's when you text that one. Okay, so I just click the text. So then it's gonna show the auto caption. So click that one, you click the start, create a caption. So now there's the caption. You see that? But it's too small. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click it one by one. Okay, so I'm gonna click first this one, double click that one. Now I want this to, so before you click all these styles, effects, animation, and bubble, you have to separate the words. So it says here, hey guys. So I'm gonna separate that. Welcome back to my channel. So welcome back, click that one, separate that one. So that's the separation. Then you use your two hands. Okay, you can put this one up or down, right? So I'm going to put this up so that it will be very visible. As you can see here, as you can see again, this one in today's video, that's okay, but this one show you how to edit. You have to divide the words, or you divide the words into syllables. So I'm going to show you, okay, show you how to edit. Okay, and then cut that one. Okay, so now it's very nice now, as you can see. Okay, right? And then okay, that's good already. And then the other one with subtitles, so I want that to be divided again. Okay, so it will look nice. So as you can see, let's check.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit using CapCut with subtitles, emojis, sound and video effects.
Yeah, you have to separate that one, sound, okay, cut, and video effects. So you can just leave it like that. Okay, now I've seen some people, they do that like this. They slant to make a statement, right? People will just do that, slant, and then this one, I can make this one like this, separate, and then this one can also be like that. So you have to do a separate, stylish kind of um, editing. So you can see here. Oh, yeah. So okay. Why did it happen like this? So probably okay. Now, okay, what I'm gonna do now, because I want it to be popping up like very colorful and alive. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna double click this one and then styles. So I want to use the pink one or the red one, and I want it, or this one maybe, or this pink one, or this one, right? You can choose. And there are lots of choices here. You can put shadows, you can put, what's this? Basic italic, or yeah, I just want this one, okay? And then I want animation. Okay, so with animation, I want this one. Look at that. Okay, so if you want to use this one, this animation, or this one, okay, type, it's like a typewriter, or you want it word by word. Okay, sometimes I want this one, or this one. So if you want this one, make sure that it's smaller, because it's gonna be very big, as you can see that. So let's try this one. Okay, I think I like this one. Well, just to make a statement, right? Just to show the people. So with this one, guys, because I can just edit this one, because look at my eyes, okay? Or I can just leave like that. Okay, so we have already the subtitles. Now we want something like, we want, what do you call that one? We want the video and sound effects. So let's see. I showed you the video effects, but I'll show you the sound effects. So you go back, okay, and then click the, where is it? So now you go back and click the effects again. Not that one, but go back, click the audio, and then you can see the effects, right? Okay, so what else do you want to put here? I think I want something like, there's people cheering, like that, or wowing, or lots of effects here. Transition, there can be countdown, or ding. I can put swish, right? Like sometimes you want swish, 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 right? When you're, okay, I'll put swish, but I want it a little bit, and then I want it louder.
Hey
Let me
guys,
see.
welcome back to my channel.
Okay, so I can create like if you want to move and put it where you want it to be placed, so you can just long press and then drag it. That's how you press it, how you edit it. Okay, and then I want it a little bit longer, so I will, oh, it can't be longer, so yeah, and then I want it a little bit louder. Okay, I'll increase my volume to 100. Let's see how it sounds. Well, I want to double. I want another swish effect, sound effect. So what I'm going to do, press that one, and then you scroll, click that one again, and then this one, copy. You can see that on the right bottom, click that one. So then you double it, right? So now there are two. As you can see, now there are two. So let's see. Now let's go back. Okay, so this is the one. So let's try.
Welcome back to my channel. In today's video,
Did you hear that? So yeah, so it's just very easy, guys. I hope you will enjoy. Okay, I hope I help you with this, and you can create more videos for your TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook Reel, and even your YouTube Shorts. And you can apply all these things that I've showed you today. So bye for now. See you on my next video.